guys, guess where I am? Yeah, guess where I am? In Manila, in Taguig. So walking. And I am walking. Tired. So we walk because there's no available jeep. So walking again. Already dark. Dark. To brother's house. Brother's boarding house.
Linawin na natin